Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to edit a post on X, formerly Twitter. To do this, we should go open our X account. We will publish a post and something very important will happen now after I click post. As you can see, it tells me my post was sent and I have 60 minutes, 1 hour to make my edits. So you have only 1 hour to edit your posts on X. And to edit, I have just to click on my picture on the top left of the screen, click on profile, go to the post that I want to edit, and after that, click on the 3 dots next to it. And after that, click on edit post. And it tells me like is limited to original posts and not include things like replies or threads. So I click got it and I will edit and make it test 1 and click update. And voila, my post was edited. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.